Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to extend your battery life on the VIVO V50 Lite. Let's begin. Now I'm not going to talk about some boring stuff like, for example, power saving mode. I mean, obviously I could just go into battery, turned on battery saver and say, okay, that's all for this video. But that's just dumb in my opinion, and I don't want to do that since there are many more factors that add up into exactly how much and how many your battery is lasting, basically. So let's start from the beginning, and we can start out with the most obvious thing, and it's the screen. It's pretty obvious. Most screens, especially most smartphone screens, are now OLED screens, so they take more power in order to display more white pixels. The brighter the pixel, the more battery it needs to sustain itself, to show itself. So the best way for you to save battery, like one of the best, is to simply lower down your brightness. I know it sounds silly, but it really does help you. I will bump it up though, so you guys can see something on the video. And the other part is, I would also advise you to disable auto brightness. It is a useful feature, like not gonna lie, though there is a problem that sometimes it will bump up the brightness unnecessarily high, meaning that in the end your battery will be much well, it will last longer. And the other part is, the OLED screens not only need more energy to display bright pixels, but they need energy to display white pixels as well. So naturally, all you have to do is simply turn on dark mode. And now, well, 90% of our screen is something of black screens. Black pixels, and the rest is white. So now this will waste a lot less energy than this, and you have to remember that. And the same things can be said about wallpaper. I know it's, once again, sounds kind of silly, but currently this wallpaper is very bright and it has many colors, and it's kind of like visual clutter already. And if you would want to switch it to something more simple, like for example this, or even better this, like with these flat color, why is it? Okay, with these flat colors, then our battery doesn't require, there's not much enough pressure on the battery to display all those different colors, because here we have like 4 colors, I think, like, okay, there is 5. So we have 5 total colors on this current wallpaper. But okay, enough about the screen, enough about wallpapers, enough about colors, because I do think that you guys like see the point. And the other thing, and the other like big system that wastes a lot of battery, I mean uses in order to work, but it's mobile data and also Wi-Fi. Mobile data is pretty funny because while using it, you're not only using the mobile data itself, but also the battery, because mobile data really requires a lot of power to sustain itself. So like a simple tip, a simple advice from me is to simply disable the mobile data and switch to Wi-Fi whenever it's possible, whenever you can, since it will save a tremendous amount of battery. Trust me. And speaking of Wi-Fi, even it doesn't have to run at all times. Wi-Fi on itself doesn't really waste that much battery. I have to say that it doesn't really waste that much, so it is acceptable to have it turned on all the time. But the problem with Wi-Fi is that then your device have like access to internet. Like every single application has access to internet. So for example, every kind of Facebook, every kind of like social media app will like use the Wi-Fi over and over again to update itself, to send you new notifications, to do a bunch of different stuff, and all of these will add up and they will waste a lot of battery in the background. It is pretty important, but they will. So that is unfortunate. However, there is one like very simple way to fix that, and it's simple airplane mode. With airplane mode, you are cutting down every single connection that your phone is trying to make. So you are cut down from the outside world, meaning that applications are no longer trying to communicate with outside world because they know they can do that. So they just sleep peacefully and they're not wasting any kind of battery no more. So that is very helpful and incredible. And I do think that like probably last and most important thing to note, and like ultimate tip of saving your battery, is to simply be aware of how much power certain applications are using. It is like possible, and if you want to check that, you can easily do that by simply going to settings and then scrolling to battery, sorry, not the battery, yeah, battery, never mind, and then scrolling down into battery usage. In battery usage, you can easily see how much power certain applications are using, how much battery percentage went to that certain application. So for example, if you are, let's say, a mobile gamer, like we have those, right? And you're using a lot of games, then they tend to use a lot of battery. So in conclusion, if you want to save more battery, you want to simply game less or use less social media apps like Netflix, all of YouTube, like every single streaming app will also waste a lot of battery in order to just display all these different films that they have to offer. So ultimate tip for saving your battery is to simply be aware that if you use power hungry applications, they will hunger. The hunger will win and they will eat your battery. So that's probably the most important tip I have for you. I don't really think that I could say more. Technically, you could also go to settings and, for example, go to security and privacy, permission manager, and you could potentially like remove permissions to camera or to microphone, because they also tend to work in the background, but generally these are well optimized. Like if we go to microphone access, you will see that no application like is even allowed to use your microphone at all times. So as you can see, it is pretty well optimized, so there's no need to manually disable every single permission to save like additional percentage of your battery. But yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe, and if you have more tips and tricks for saving your battery life, make sure to share them down in the comments below. Anyway, that's all from me. Thanks for watching.